Hello guys, this is Hitech Talk. So in this video I will tell you how to get stylish fonts for your Instagram post caption, or you can say for your Instagram bio, or you can also use it in your Instagram stories. So to get such stylish fonts, or you can say text, you need to search in a Google as stylish font. So you can open any website here. So for now I will go with the first one. So you just need to type anything here and you will get a multiple options. Like for example, just for a testing purpose I will write it good night here. So scroll down and you can see there are different type of fonts. It is auto generated. So have a one look and copy whichever you like. So for example, like I will select any one here. So I will select this one. I will copy this and I will open my Instagram account. I will go to my caption. I will paste it. So now we will check it, is it working fine or not. So you can see the caption of my this post is a new one. So in this way you can change the font of your text and you can use this in your Instagram bio, Instagram caption, as well as in your Instagram stories. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.